this is what you see on the show. Right?
That's right. I imagine Catherine Rowlands running down the stairs, and then her mom was,
So
his
when
mom
you
was
watch
right
the
here.
show, where do you think his room would be?
Upstairs.
Upstairs, right. But in
I thought-
reality, as you already know, the room is downstairs.
I was surprised, really.
Yeah. So if you guys want to take a look, come on in. She's already seen it already, but she used the restroom. This was where they filmed, where Catherine and McGarrett consummated their friendship. This is where they used to cuddle, yeah?
Yeah.
Bedroom. The bedroom, that's right.
Yeah.
And if you notice the architecture here, it's very 1936. It looks like you're inside a ship, right? But this is what the houses were built like in the 30s, really. So.
It's cute. I like houses like these.
Lots of character, yeah?
It reflects the time when it was made.
I'll get out of here so you guys have more space. And then if you want to take a look at the kitchen, you're welcome to do so. They don't make kitchens like this anymore.
This is the kitchen they cook.
The kitchen that you see on the show is modeled after this particular kitchen. They never filmed here in this kitchen because it's too small, they can't fit the cameras and stuff. But they also don't make basins like this anymore. This is from 1936.
That's right.
Almost 100 years old, right? You look on the refrigerator, you can see some of the actors whenever they're filming here. There's also that one character, John Locke from Lost, right there.
John Locke. He's John White there.